What did I just hit that couldn't tell me it was dark? Bam!
It's a stove, but a baby stove. Like an apartment stove.
But what it did have was that big mammer jammer. Big old cord. And a stove to start off the evening. Let's go. Asshole. Now, let's see if we have anything going on. Good morning, Strap for Cash family. And what is it I see over there? Don't know. Let's take a peek. Just appears to be some cot or frame of some sort. All right. We didn't have to go through all the trouble of cutting that. Could have just taken it off like that. Little seat. Tell you what, you never know when that stuff comes in handy though. Little something, something. Let's move on. Looks kind of full, don't it? Looks a little kind of crowded in there. Well, leaving me a little stuff right in the front, which I do appreciate. Be doing some rearranging here soon, very soon. We'll get this stuff in order. Good morning, Scrap for Cash family. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day 2023. Hope y'all are gonna have a fantastic Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. So As a reminder to all them boys and girls, better take care of them moms. That's a problem. Do you see it? He's made a home right there. Well, that's gotta go. Kind of overflowing there a little bit. I did see something over here. It's kindly interesting. That's just a lot of wood. Like I said, I gotta do some rearranging. All right, we can do a little start now. Let's move it. Now, let's see what we can find today. I could be wrong. That looks like an arrow. This is why you kind of look a little bit. $19.75. cords. I believe that's metal. And that's pretty cool. A slider maker. And that cord just jumped up out of nowhere. Otherwise, I may not have seen it. Davy Crockett, King of the Wild Frontier. It's Scrap for Cash, the $sign version. Moving on. Morning, Scrap for Cash family. We are on the hunt on Mother's Day, if I haven't said that already. It's Mother's Day. I'm gonna reach out a little bit, try to find another neighborhood for a little street scrapping. Y'all are welcome to come along if you'd like. If not, you can check to see what Mr. Scrappity's doing, or Paul at Scrapping Pallet Man, or Roger at CU Scrapping's, always entertaining. Haven't heard from my buddy Darren at Scrapping DMX Style. I'm a little concerned about him. So Darren, this is a shout out to you. Where are you, my brother? Let me know if you're okay, if you need any help. I don't know how much help I can give, but just like to make sure you're okay, man. Ain't heard from you. So we're going to do a little driving around these neighborhoods, just see if we can see anything. If I remember right, a few weeks ago, this was a trash put out day through this neighborhood. Well, not like in the road like that, but put out the curb. We'll see. Tell you one thing, boys. This ain't no joke. That's a little heavy. That is no joke. Yep, there's something down in there. Y'all see it? I saw it. Boys, that is a VCR, a video cassette recorder. I try to always come down this area because there's always something in here for me. Whether I sometimes want it or not is a different story, but oh yeah. Moving on. You know, for those of you that don't know, maybe you probably don't know. I play music, and I have played music, and I have sang. I have played on stages and bars. I've even tried my hand at writing songs years ago, and I always, when I was writing and listening to writers talk about the process of writing songs, most all of them will say, or have said, or continue to say, that the best songs come from personal experiences or things you may have gone through, and some things you feel strongly with. You can relate to music with that song, and people can something that people, obviously, you know, you're not the only one going through stuff. People can relate to what you're writing. You know, when my mother passed away years and years ago, I coincidentally wrote a song called Happy Mother's Day, and it was a heartfelt song that I think is a good song. My point in saying all this is, if you haven't heard this song, I challenge you to listen to it. That way you'll know what I'm talking about. It's called Wait in the Truck. So the premise is, some random guy's driving down the road in his pickup truck and comes across a woman that's obviously had a bad night, been smacked around by her significant other, and his response to that is tell her to wait in the truck while he goes in and shoots him, and then spends the rest of his life in prison. and he thinks it was worth it. What the hell are we doing? I think it's a chair. That's what I think. And 12 cents. Whatever that thing is. I don't know. Nope. We'll pick the old Kenmore. Hard already. I like that. That means I can shop down to a corner. Pretty awesome. You know, definitely got holes in there still. What do we got here, I wonder? It's, bam! Water heater. It's a sewing machine. One of them singers. Well, it's another hot water heater. And it's not emptied. Really? Kind of running out of room here. Empty. Treat me like a fool. Treat me mean and cruel. Oh, but love me. Break my faithful heart. Tear it all apart. But love me. good news. Not terribly heavy, but okay. That's what I call packing a truck, folks. That's like nobody business right there. Scrap for Cash has come to town when you see me rolling through, and I don't play. Pick up 2 or 3 things and head to the scrap yard? Yeah, I don't think so. That's a big ass microwave, man. That ain't no little microwave. Oh, look. I'm blessed again. Where am I gonna put you? That's the question. I just keep finding shit. Oh, you son of a bitch. It's on my goddamn foot. And the hits just keep on coming. Know what I mean? I said I'm pretty full. At this point, I'm just looking for some cords. And that's pretty much all I'm finding. Well, Scrap for Cash family, that was an exciting scrap-filled kind of day, wasn't it? More water heaters than I've seen in one day. A lot of wire, a lot of copper. That AC, oh, that ACR just sitting there in a box was a great find. But anyway, I hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed it. When we get to the scrapyard, we'll see how much this load is, but it's a big load. It's a big load. If you'd like to see it for yourself, I'll be more than happy to, you know, give you a tour. I stopped here at Harbor Tool to pick up some supplies. You see, I've got a satellite dish kind of stuck in between the cab and the bed. But yeah, she is loaded. and I don't think it's going anywhere. But so a couple stoves, a big microwave, spikes, sorted metal, just to give you an idea of this other stuff. Wire from today. That's just from today, folks. Process some of that, and I've got a bunch of copper. I've got a lot of copper that I still got to process off this thing sticking out on the edge. You can see that runs all the way down. On Sunday, Mother's Day. Did I say happy Mother's Day? Just in case I didn't. Happy Mother's Day. Hope everybody's having a good day. I have had a pretty good day. But now, let's go see what else we can put on the truck. Shall we? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will reach that moment in our program where we get to check our load. We want to make sure nothing's getting ready to fall off. We're not going to lose anything. We're not going to get run over. That thing's not moved at all. Not moved. Everything is staying intact. I think we're good to go the rest of our way in. So we can continue on with the adventures of Scrap for Cash. Well, it's that time of our program again. Check our load once more. Even though it's really not moving. Again, staying tight. That's got a lot on here, man. A lot. That's the copper. Got to process that later. Everything's staying intact. We be moving on again.